The role of Prophet Isa, Jesus, in Islam, a comparative study. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey that transcends time and faith, where we delve into the profound role of Prophet Isa in Islam. In today's video, we explore the life, teachings, and enduring influence of a figure who bridges the gap between religions, cultures, and hearts. Prophet Isa, known as Jesus in Christianity, holds a unique place in Islamic tradition. His story is not just a narrative of miracles, but a testament to the power of faith, compassion, and love. We'll unravel the multifaceted facets of his role, from his miraculous birth to his teachings on unity and kindness. Join us as we navigate the rich tapestry of Prophet Isa's life, a tapestry woven with threads of divine wisdom and human inspiration. His impact resonates across borders, transcending religious boundaries to touch the hearts of millions around the world. Prophet Isa, known in English as Jesus, holds a significant place in the Islamic faith, much like in Christianity. However, the role and perception of Isa in Islam are unique and distinct. In this comparative study, we will delve into the multifaceted role of Prophet Isa in Islam and explore the parallels and differences between Islamic and Christian perspectives. Prophet Isa in Islamic tradition. In Islam, Isa, peace be upon him, is recognized as one of the mightiest prophets sent by Allah. His birth is miraculous, as he was born to the Virgin Mary, Maryam, peace be upon her, without a human father. The Quran describes Isa's mission as proclaiming the message of monotheism and righteousness to the people of Israel. Isa as a healer and miracle worker. Much like in the Christian tradition, Prophet Isa in Islam is associated with miraculous healing abilities. Islamic texts recount instances where he cured the blind, healed the lepers, and even raised the dead, all by the will of Allah. The crucifixion controversy. One of the most significant differences between Islamic and Christian narratives is the crucifixion. Islam asserts that Isa was not crucified, but was instead raised to the heavens by Allah. This belief is central to Islamic theology and sets it apart from Christianity. Isa's return in Islamic eschatology. A fascinating aspect of Isa's role in Islam is his prophesied return in the end times. Islamic eschatology holds that Isa will return as a just leader, alongside Imam al-Mahdi, to restore justice and righteousness before the day of judgment. A comparative perspective. While there are undeniable similarities in the portrayal of Prophet Isa in both Islam and Christianity, such as his miraculous birth and healing abilities, the theological divergence on the crucifixion and his future role in eschatology underscores the distinctiveness of Isa's role in Islam. Isa's message of monotheism and righteousness. Prophet Isa, like other prophets in Islam, emphasized the oneness of Allah and the importance of living a righteous life. His teachings align with the broader message of monotheism that runs through Islamic tradition, stressing the worship of the one true God and living justly. Isa's place in the line of prophets. In Islam, Isa is part of the lineage of noble prophets, which includes Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, and others. He is regarded as a significant link in the chain of prophethood, with his message building upon and affirming the teachings of those who came before him. The role of Maryam, Mary, in Isa's story. Prophet. Isa's birth to the Virgin Mary, Maryam, peace be upon her, is a unique aspect of his story. In Islamic tradition, Maryam is esteemed for her piety and devotion, and her role as Isa's mother is a testament to Allah's divine plan. Isa's resurrection of the dead. Islamic narratives recount Isa's remarkable ability to bring the dead back to life with Allah's permission. This miracle serves as a powerful symbol of his prophethood and the divine support that accompanied his mission. Isa's universal message. While Isa's mission initially focused on the people of Israel, the universality of his message is also emphasized in Islamic tradition. His teachings transcend cultural boundaries, carrying a timeless message of faith, compassion, and devotion to Allah. The misunderstandings and common ground. Prophet Isa's role in Islam is often a point of curiosity and sometimes misunderstanding among those of different faiths. While there are theological differences between Islamic and Christian perspectives on Isa, there is also common ground in recognizing his significance as a spiritual leader and a source of inspiration for millions of people around the world. Interfaith dialogue and understanding. In an increasingly interconnected world, interfaith dialogue plays a crucial role in fostering understanding and harmony among different religious communities. Exploring the role of Prophet Isa in Islam and comparing it to other faiths, particularly Christianity, can lead to meaningful discussions that bridge gaps and build bridges of mutual respect. Isa as a symbol of unity. Prophet Isa serves as a symbol of unity in diverse societies. His life and teachings emphasize values such as compassion, love for one's neighbor, and devotion to God, which are shared by many religious traditions. Emphasizing these common values can contribute to greater unity among people of different faiths. The spiritual significance of Prophet Isa. Ultimately, whether one is a Muslim, Christian, or belongs to another faith, the spiritual significance of Prophet Isa lies in his embodiment of virtues that transcend religious boundaries. He is a figure who inspires believers to strive for greater love, compassion, and righteousness in their lives. Isa's impact on art and culture. The influence of Prophet Isa extends beyond religious boundaries into the realms of art and culture. His life, teachings, and miracles have inspired countless artists, writers, and musicians throughout history. Iconic artworks, literature, and musical compositions pay homage to his enduring legacy. Isa's teachings on compassion and love. A central theme in Isa's message, both in Islam and Christianity, is the importance of compassion and love. His teachings emphasize caring for the less fortunate, showing kindness to others, and embracing love as a guiding principle in life. These values resonate with people of various faiths and philosophies. The role of Isa in interfaith dialogue. Prophet Isa serves as a bridge for interfaith dialogue and understanding. His common presence in both Islamic and Christian traditions offers a starting point for discussions that foster tolerance, respect, and collaboration among different religious communities. Isa as a source of hope and inspiration. In times of adversity and hardship, the story of Prophet Isa serves as a source of hope and inspiration for many. His perseverance, miracles, and unwavering faith during challenging circumstances inspire individuals to overcome obstacles and remain steadfast in their beliefs. In the global context, Prophet Isa's story transcends geographical boundaries, making him a universally recognized figure. His impact on the global stage highlights the significance of religious figures in shaping not only spiritual beliefs, but also the cultural and social fabric of societies worldwide. Prophet Isa's role in Islam is a topic of deep theological significance and curiosity. It showcases the rich diversity and unique perspectives within the world's religions. As we conclude our comparative study, we gain a deeper appreciation for the nuanced and multifaceted role of Prophet Isa in Islam and its contributions to the tapestry of religious thought. As we conclude this exploration of the role of Prophet Isa in Islam, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of faith, compassion, and understanding. His legacy is not confined to the pages of history, but lives on in the art, culture, and hearts of people across the globe. Prophet Isa's teachings on love, compassion, and unity are more relevant today than ever before. In a world often marked by division, his message serves as a beacon of hope, encouraging us to embrace our shared humanity. Let us remember that the story of Prophet Isa is not just a story of a bygone era. It is a story that continues to inspire and guide us towards a path of righteousness and compassion. In the tapestry of faith, his thread remains unbroken, connecting hearts and bridging differences. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. May the lessons of Prophet Isa's life continue to illuminate our path towards a more harmonious and compassionate world.